It's a warm start to Saturday morning along the east coast of South Africa, but the warm weather will be fairly short-lived, especially along the Eastern Cape Coast, where a coastal low-pressure system will bring cooling and strong winds later on. Meanwhile, a weak cold front brings a bit of rain to the Cape Peninsula this morning. It will clear quite rapidly on Saturday afternoon, while scattered showers and thunderstorms are predicted for the eastern half of South Africa. The South African Weather Service issued a watch for heavy falls of rain over the northeastern parts of KZN today. More than 50 millimeters is possible in a 24-hour period. There's also a watch for severe thunderstorms over the eastern interior of the Eastern Cape, with a potential for large hail and damaging winds. Here's our rain forecast for today. A 40% chance of light rain along the southwest coast, mainly this morning. A low risk of rain along the Garden Route and a 40% chance of rain from Port Elizabeth eastwards. Scattered showers and thunder showers over the eastern half of South Africa, with a higher probability of rain over southern parts of Mpumalanga and the northern parts of KZN. Daytime temperatures will be high in the Northern Cape, where we're expecting dry conditions, up to 35 degrees in Uppington, 27 in Springbok. It's going to be cool in George and Cape Town, with highs of 23, 25 degrees expected in East London and Bishu, Johannesburg with a high of 25 as well, and Mbombela warming to 28. Let's take a look at the coastal forecast for today. We're expecting fairly pleasant conditions along the west coast. Winds becoming fresh this afternoon along the Namaqualand coastline, with wind speeds up to 35 kilometers per hour in Alexander Bay. There's an open ocean swell of 2 meters, reaching 3 meters in the vicinity of Langebaan later on. Behind the passage of the cold front, southwesterlies up to 20 kilometers per hour in False Bay. Winds will become fresh this afternoon, especially in Table Bay, with an open ocean swell of 3 meters. Along the south coast, strong southwesterly winds initially. We're expecting strong winds all day long in Port Elizabeth and Jeffreys Bay. Open ocean swell up to 2.5 meters, while low tide is expected at 10 to 7 this evening. Finally, along the east coast, the southwesterly buster cools things off in the afternoon. Average speeds up to 45 kilometers per hour along the Wild Coast, but it's going to stay pleasant along the north coast, with wind speeds up to 25 kilometers per hour in Richards Bay, while heavy showers and thunderstorms are forecast, especially for the afternoon and evening.
You deserve to know more.
eNCA.com